Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome, my name is Anneke. In today's episode, sorry, I'm getting organized. I should have done that before. In today's episode, a finished object and 2 whips. No acquisitions yet. So my finished object is the homespun wool spun by my dad and me, and now knitted up by me, which is a bit me. Sorry about that, but I'm so glad it's off the needles. It's unbelievable. I've been knitting on it for some time, and then I put it away because I thought I made a mistake with the split and how to calculate everything. And in the end, I keep on looking back. I shouldn't do that, should I? In the end, I decided to continue knitting as the stitches were presented to me. Because ripping back, even though I'm fine with ripping back, that's, in itself no issue. But since I didn't really know what I'd done wrong, and if I'd done it wrong, I thought, you know what, it's quite far up already, so what happens if I continue? And I can still rip it back, if I don't like it, I can still rip it back. So yeah, I continued knitting and I'm very happy with the result. I've worn it already. Yeah, really happy days. So I've got some separate footage with the jumper sweater closer up, and I can point at little bits in the video. But yeah, as a design, the front is shorter than the back. Let's see. You see that? So the front where it ends and the back ends almost to the bottom of the mannequin, to the dress form. I wanted it that way because I do a lot of work behind a computer, and when I sit, I like my bum to be covered. And it's nice if the front of the sweater is shorter so it doesn't all bulk up at the front. And it works fine. It does as it works as I was hoping it would work, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'll insert some video with close up here and enjoy.